Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you front garden ideas. Great landscaping design for your backyard. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching! A beautiful and well-designed front garden can greatly enhance the curb appeal of any home. Whether you have a small front yard or a sprawling space, there are countless creative ideas to transform it into an inviting and visually appealing outdoor area. From selecting the right plants and greenery to incorporating stunning hardscape features, lighting, and water elements, this video explores various front garden ideas to inspire and guide you in creating a captivating entrance to your home. Creating a welcoming entrance. The entrance to your home sets the tone for what lies beyond, so it's important to create a welcoming entryway. Consider using a combination of plants, pathway materials, and lighting to guide visitors towards your front door. Adding a focal point, such as a unique door or a decorative element, can also make your entrance more inviting. Choosing the right style for your front garden. Your front garden should harmonize with the style of your home. Whether you have a modern, traditional, or eclectic house, selecting the right plants, colors, and materials can help create a cohesive look. Pay attention to the architectural features of your home and use them as inspiration for your front garden design. Selecting the ideal plants for front gardens. When choosing plants for your front garden, consider factors such as sun exposure, soil type, and maintenance requirements. Opt for a mix of evergreen shrubs, perennials, and seasonal flowers to ensure year-round interest. Choose plants with varying heights and textures to create a depth and visual appeal. Hardscape features and structural elements. In addition to plants, hardscape features and structural elements can add character and functionality to your front garden. Enhancing the front garden with pathways and walkways. Well-designed pathways and walkways not only guide visitors through your front garden but also provide a visual structure. Consider using materials that complement your home, such as brick, stone, or gravel. Incorporate lighting along the pathway for both safety and aesthetics, especially for nighttime use. Using fences and gates for privacy and security. Fences and gates not only define the boundaries of your property, but also contribute to the overall design of your front garden. Choose fencing materials and styles that match your home's aesthetic while providing the desired level of privacy and security. Decorative gates can add an extra touch of charm and act as a focal point. Lighting and outdoor decorations. Illuminating the front garden with outdoor lighting. When it comes to showcasing your front garden at night, outdoor lighting is the way to go. Not only does it enhance the beauty of your plants and landscaping features, but it also adds a layer of safety and security. From pathway lights that guide your footsteps to spotlights that highlight your favorite plants, there are numerous options to choose from. Just be sure not to go overboard and turn your front garden into a Hollywood premiere. Subtle and tasteful lighting is the key. Adding tranquility with a front garden water feature. If you're craving a serene oasis right at your doorstep, a water feature is the answer. The sound of trickling water can instantly create a calming atmosphere and drown out the noise of the outside world. Whether it's a small fountain, a bubbling brook, or a cascading waterfall, incorporating a water feature in your front garden adds an element of tranquility that will make you feel like you're on a mini vacation every time you step outside. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you find his front garden ideas helpful. Have a great day and good evening everyone. You watched the design channel Sam Good Design.